Very good. Let's start. Okay, read slowly. Read this one.
The little green turtle.
Very good. The little green turtle. Two boxes for Aliah. 1, 2. Can you read this one?
One, one tree
There
lived, one there lived
lived.
lived a little green turtle in a jungle.
Very good. Once there lived a little green turtle in a jungle. Okay, one box for you. I'll help you with this one. Can you read this one?
She had a little bed in a coconut shell under a big rock by the
Oh, by the?
river.
Very good. He had a little bed in a coconut shell under a big rock by the river. Two boxes for Aliah. 1, 2. Can you read this one?
As the stars twinkled, he loud
He,
snuggled
he
in
would.
he would snuggle in his coconut shell.
Very good. Okay, can you read this word again?
Stars.
Stars. Very good. As the stars twinkled, he would snuggle in his coconut shell. Okay, one box for you for this one. Can you read this one?
He felt terrible when the thunder rumbled and mumbled.
Very good. He felt terrible when the thunder rumbled and mumbled. Two boxes for Aliah. Can you read this one?
A storm was on the way.
A storm was on the way. Two boxes for you. Can you read this one?
The little green turtle fumbled, fumbled for a match to light a candle.
Again?
Candle.
Very good. The little green turtle fumbled for a match to light a candle. Okay, another two boxes for Aliah. Can you read this one?
He felt a lot better.
He felt a lot better. Another two boxes for you. Can you read this?
He wished he had a brother or sister to cuddle,
Who?
cuddle, cuddle,
What sound is that?
cuddle.
Cuddle. Very good. Okay. He wished, not wished. He wished he had a brother or sister to cuddle. Okay. One box for you for this. Can you read this one?
When morning came, the storm was over.
Okay. How do we read this word?
Come,
No, came.
came.
When morning came, the storm was over. Okay, another one box for you. Can you read this one?
There were puddles everywhere.
Okay, how do we read this word?
Where
Mm.
were
Very good. There were puddles everywhere. Good. Okay, right. The rocket. Can you read this one?
in the middle of a puddle sat a big red frog.
Set a big
A fat
fat
frog.
frog. Good. In the middle of the puddle sat a big fat frog. Okay, you reached the star. Good job. You won the race. Okay.